Hi, in this video I will show you how to cut paths in Inkscape. So let's create first an object. So I will go to rectangle tool and we'll draw here a rectangle. Now we need to click on selector tool, and if our rectangle is selected, we go to path and click object to path. Then when you will click on the node tool, you will see path of the object. If you want to correctly cut this path, you need to go to pen tool. And for example, I would like to cut this path something like that. So I select here 2 points. After that, I click selector tool. Okay, so now we need to select both objects, so I will do it now. After that, we need to go to path and select here cut path. Now we need to fill the color. So for example, I will click this and you can observe here this line. This is the cutting line. So I recommend you to click outside of the objects and then click on this part. Like you see, our path has been successfully cut. You can check it too by clicking on this object and by going to node tool. And it's everything in this video. If I helped you to cut paths in Inkscape, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it supports my work, and thanks for watching.